So, away from all these glamorized and overhyped face masks, today I'm going to be talking about a simple face mask that is very affordable. You won't even spend up to 1000 naira to achieve this glowing face with just this simple mask I'm going to talk about today. So, this is something you can do towards Christmas, and before Christmas, you will end up with a glowing skin. Now, let me tell you something. If you have like excess dark spots on your face and you use all those expensive products and it is not clearing up and you are just tired, wait first. Hold on. Don't get tired. Use this simple mask I'm going to talk about in today's video. I've used this mask 2 years ago and it was good and it's still good. So which mask am I talking about? Keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabel. This is your first time of coming across and seeing or welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment in the comment section down below. Okay, I would like to interact with you. What would you like to see next in my video? What do you want me to talk about? So if you have any recommendation you want me to make for you, let me know. Anything you want me to do for you, let me know in the comment section and I will answer your questions to my best ability. Today I'm going to be talking about a simple natural DIY face mask or face pack, anyone you want to call it is fine. So this face mask clears dark spots, hyperpigmentation. If your face is darker than your body, or you have this wrinkle on your face that seems not to be going, or you just don't have money for all this glamorized, costly face mask that seems to be trending and they say is working, and you are looking for a substitute, this face mask will do that for you. So what face mask am I talking about today? I'm talking about a DIY natural turmeric and honey combo face mask. Yes, DIY is not all that bad. There are some DIYs that are legit that you'll be glad you tried. And this turmeric and honey face mask is one of the DIY face mask you can try for yourself today, and you'll be glad you did. So I used to have dark spots, not anymore. Yeah, yeah. Thank God, right? Everything is now history. I used to have dark spots, and I use this face pack about 2 years ago when I just started my YouTube channel. I use it consistently for months and it helps. I didn't okay, the reason why I stopped was because of the way turmeric used to stain clothes, and I was not just cool with it, and I was just like, okay, maybe I can just try other stuff. So after trying other stuff recently, I'm just like, okay, I want to glow my face more. I don't have dark spots, I don't really have any hyperpigmentation, but yes, it's not bad to look more beautiful, right? And I'm like, okay, let me try this face pack. And here we are. Lately, I attended a party outside Lagos and I came back with a bad acne. So that night when I arrived, I used the honey and turmeric combo face pack on my face. I had one inflammation here. It has turned to scar now. I had one here. I had one here. One big one on my forehead. Will you believe that I used this face pack just that night? I applied it about 20 minutes. I washed it off. The morning after I reapplied it, about 2 days after reapplying the face pack, the inflammation went down and it's reduced. This one did not scar, while this one scar. It is fine. So now what I'm trying to do now is that I'm trying to lighten my dark spots, the one from the acne breakout I got when I traveled. The reason why I got the acne breakout was because of change of water, and then that day it was raining. It was a Friday like that was raining. It was raining so heavily. So I think getting drenched in the rain, sitting on wet seats, and all of that in transit led to my breakouts and stress also. So when I used this face pack that day and I saw the inflammation went down drastically, I was like, no, no, I have to come here and tell you people to try this face mask. And it is not even expensive. With 1000 naira, you can make this face mask for yourself. You can get turmeric of about 500 naira and get honey, small quantity. Go to all these people that are selling apps, all these Yoruba woman or all these malam. Buy original. Don't buy sugarcane honey. Oh. Buy original honey and turmeric. There is also turmeric of 200 naira. If you just want to try it first, you want to try it out first before you now buy a big quantity, it is fine. Buy turmeric of about 200 naira or so and a little quantity of honey. But I believe most of us have honey in our kitchens, right? So you can just try it. So now I'm going to try it out and you're going to see. I use this, yeah, actually this is the second time of me making this video. The first one I made, I accidentally deleted it and it is fine. That's why I'm making this one again. So I think it is even more better right now. So this is the one I used yesterday night. This is the leftover of the honey and the turmeric. So this is my turmeric. I have my turmeric in this jar. It is here. I have quite a lot. And I have this original honey I got for my friend. She gave me, and it is original to the core. So I got this one. I do mix it in other stuff also, like my tea, my beverages and all of that. So I decided to use it. So you just have to put little quantity of honey and turmeric together. So the turmeric paste I made is too thick. So I'm going to dilute it by adding a little bit of honey. I don't add water into mine because I just don't want to add water into it. I just want the natural moisture to go into my skin. I don't want to dilute it with water, but if you have rose water, you can mix with yours. If you have milk, yes, milk you can mix with yours. If you have lime, lemon, you can add a dash of lemon or lime into yours. You can add yogurt, plain yogurt into yours also. There is a very varieties of way you can use this honey and turmeric face pack, and it will give you a flawless result. Okay, so right now it is night time already. I'm even my eyes is closing up already, but it must not close up. This is just around 8 to 7 a.m. p.m. rather, so I can't be sleeping right now. No, no, it is like a kind of insult on my throne. I'm the queen of night. Like I don't sleep till like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. So why would I be sleeping around 7 a.m., 8 a.m.? I'm just stressed because I went to the market. So while talking to you, I am trying to mix this up to loosen it up. It was too thick earlier, so I added more honey. I don't want to add water to mine. Like I said, I want it to have its natural moisture. So this is it, and I'm going to apply this on my face, and I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes, and I'll be back to wash it off. And after that, you can just follow up with your face care routine. I have a video about my face care routine on my channel. I'll put it in the description box. So if you want to know the face care routine I'm currently um using to achieve this clear skin I'm still maintaining, yeah, I have it up on my channel. So make sure you check that out. Especially if you're acne prone skin, you want to follow me back to back because I am queen of acne. See my before. Same like before, my face used to be like this, even worse. Okay, and this is this now. So you have to follow me to catch up on all these tips that they won't even tell you. Okay, stop packing industrial chemical something on your face every time. Sometimes take a break and use natural ingredients, and you'll be glad. In fact, you'll be shocked by the results you are going to get. So I'm just going to tie my hair back and I will apply this on my face. I welcome back to my video. So I applied everything in this container on my face because I don't want leftover again like before. So the container I'm using, I have this jar, this empty container from this is my eye mask. So this is the one I've used. So there's nothing inside and it is airtight. That's why I decided to be using it for my turmeric and my honey pack because it is airtight and I can travel with it. Okay, it won't pour inside my bag. So if you want to do turmeric and honey, you have to have something that is airtight that won't pour easily. I'm looking crazy right now, but it's all for the look. So if you want to do this turmeric and honey face pack, use a clothes that you don't really care about. This is like an outer neck. I can loosen it here and loosen it here, then take it off. I don't need to take it all the way above. No, I don't need to take it all the way up that it will now smell or stain the turmeric. I'm just going to loosen it up here or at the back here and I'll take it off. So when you are using turmeric, preferably wear black clothes, or a clothes you don't really care about, something that you can take off easily, okay? Or just be careful with turmeric. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to let this sit in my face for about 30 minutes because I'm going to be watching movie. So I'll just let it sit and do its job. I'm not going to rush it and wash it off. Today is Saturday, so it's weekend. Hi guys, welcome back. So I have washed my face. The mask used the bars and now I have to wash my face because In the process, I slept off. So I slept on a black bed sheet I don't really care about. So you can leave this mask on your face for as long as you can, okay? So I'm just going to do my skincare and I'll be back. Welcome back. I just did my skincare and I'll just be applying my eye mask because of dark under eye and baggy under eye, okay? So this eye mask is really good. So get one for yourself. I bet you will see the effect in no time. And I'm going to spray some good body mist. I'm going to bed. I like lemon whenever I'm on my period. So I'm using lemon today. Okay, that's fine. And I'm going to add this. Is this mulberry? I don't even know, but it smells so good. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. This is a turmeric face mask. I use to keep my skin in check whenever I've been in the sun for a very long time. I was in the market today and I was in the sun for a very long time, and this is how I just refresh myself, my face to bring it back to life. And I'll be going to bed. I'm already feeling sleepy. I'll see you in the very next one. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below, hit the bell below so you'll be the first person to get notified each time I drop a new video. Okay, watch my other videos and I will see you in the next one. Till then, thank you so much.